Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to insert or type glass symbol using keyboard shortcut key in your MS Word file. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to insert the glass symbol in your MS Word file using keyboard shortcut key, then I will show you a simple method to insert this glass symbol. First of all, you just need to select the font Sego UI symbol. Just click here, then type. You can see Sego UI symbol. Select. Then you need to type 1F453. After typing this number, just press Alt X key. You can see the glass symbol has been inserted. If you want to increase this size, just select this symbol, increase the glass size from here. If you want to change the color of this glass, select it, then click here, then select your favorite color from here. That's it guys. So in this way you can insert or type glass symbol using keyboard shortcut key in your MS Word file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.